The Monterey Mini Hot Tub is here, and it's a game changer. Imagine this: 4 surround seats, 12 massage jets, and a StormForce 7 pump, all built into a compact design perfect for any small garden. And the best part? It's an easy setup with 13 AMP connection. No need for complicated installations. The Monterey Mini offers the luxury of a real hot tub without breaking the bank. With an easy-to-use Gecko control panel, a press of a button starts your relaxation journey. Plus, the new chemical tablet dispenser pod technology allows you to control your chlorine or bromine levels with minimal effort. And our enhanced insulation give you an extra level of protection and efficiency to your new hot tub. Say goodbye to inflatable spas and hello to genuine relaxation and luxury. Perfect for urban dwellers or anyone tight on space, this hot tub transforms any outdoor area into a personal retreat. You also get 1-year parts warranty and free delivery and installation anywhere across the UK mainland. With a Bluetooth sound system, 10 LEDs and a 2 kilowatts heater, don't miss out on this incredible offer. Call Blue Whale Spa on 0115954888 to learn more about the Monterey Mini today. Luxury awaits.